Hi to all my friends, to all the viewers. I made this video to invite everyone to watch my online business workshop. It's gonna be start tonight at 9 p.m. Toronto time and 6 p.m. Vancouver time and 7 p.m. Alberta time. And my name is Jeneline, and I've been in this business for 3 months now, and everything changed my life, and this business is I can recommend to everyone. So tune in and watch our workshop. First thing, you registered your email and name so I can send the workshop link for you to watch. So yeah, just that's the thing. Just give your registered your email and your name, and you're gonna have your link in your mailbox. So don't forget to check your email, or sometimes it goes to your spam, and make sure it doesn't go there so you don't miss the link to watch. Okay, I will invite you tonight. It's every Monday and every Thursday every week. So we always invite everybody. We always remind everybody to watch. So don't hesitate. If you think this is a spam, well, I tell you that the system here is really amazing. The community here, they are really true people. They are helping you, they are guiding you, they are coaches you and mentor you, motivates you how you run your business when you join it. So don't worry, there's so many people, so many business online entrepreneur back of this office. So check it out and stay tuned tonight, okay? It's beautiful outside, it's sunny, it's a perfect day, and I made this video, and I have my look ice cup for this sunny day. Alright, have a good day and have a wonderful to everyone who wants to join. Jump in and do the action, and let's change our life. Okay, bye.